there, today we're going to be explaining to you all how to install the USB kit, and this kit is going to apply for the models S4, Liberty, and Cushman. In this tutorial, it's regarding the recall of the USB kit, which consists of two parts. You're also going to need gloves because one of the parts consists of fiberglass, so you don't want itchy fingers. So one of the parts is a thermal shield and a wire tie, as you see here in this video. For step one, you will be needing a T30 Torx driver to undo the two screws on the front center panel that you see here in front of me. That is the screw to your right, and you have your screw to the left. And your T30 Torx driver is going to look like this. This will be step one. Okay, and the next step, in the back of the panel, as you can see here, we're looking into the panel itself. There's a module there. There's a zip tie over that, so if you have a pair of wire cutters or anything to cut that zip tie, you're going to cut the zip tie to get to the module where the thermal shield is going to be placed over that module. Okay, on this next step, as you can see here, we've already cut off the zip tie as I showed you in the previous video. And this is your module. So the next step to this is you're going to go ahead and remove the connector that he has there in his hand, lift the tab, and give it a soft tug. And on the following step, there is the thermal shield. So you're going to go ahead and pop open the little sleeve. Like we mentioned, be sure to be wearing gloves because of the fiberglass, your hands will get itchy. So he lays it over it like a little blankie, and he's going to go ahead and with the zip tie that was provided in the kit, you are going to secure the thermal shield over the module. Once that's been done, you're going to go ahead and reconnect your connector. And go ahead and place it back into the compartment. Okay, so the module has already been covered with the thermal shield and the zip tie. And you can see a tiny hole in the back right there where the previous zip tie was at. So you have the option to slide another zip tie and secure it, or you can leave it as is. That would be completely up to you. And those were the last and final steps, and now you're done. So the final step is now to reinstall your panel and go ahead and reinstall those two screws. And then you can go ahead and proceed as directed by EZGO to go ahead and put your fuse back on the fuse box, and there will be a separate video for that to show you where that fuse was at. Now that all those steps have been completed with installing the thermal shield over your module, your last step to do is, if you have been directed by EZGO to remove the 2-amp fuse from your unit, depending which unit you have, you would reinstall that fuse. If you hadn't removed that fuse, it's okay. Now that you have the thermal shield on there, that should take care of the issue. So thank you again for watching our tutorial, and you all have a wonderful day.